So hello guys, welcome to Dev Domain. In today's video we are going to see how to find the product of two numbers. Okay, product means multiplication of two numbers. Okay, so we have given a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 5. Okay, the product will be uh, 15. Okay, so we have to find the product of two numbers in Java. Okay, so let's start. So solution will be, we have to create a function. Okay, first we have to create a function, and we have to pass two parameters in that. Okay, um, int a and int b. Then the second part will be, we have to return that product. Okay, so return. So how we can write the function for getting the product? Okay, so let's see. So first we have to create a function. Okay, public static, and take the integer for returning the value, because uh, the product of two numbers will be the integer value, so we have to return the integer value. Okay, so that's why I have taken here integer and the function name. Okay, let's say multiply, and we have to take two parameters in that, int a and int b, and then in bracket we have to create another integer, let's say product, and in that we have to multiply a and b. Okay, after multiplying a and b we have to return, so we have to return the product. Okay, okay, now we have to call the function from the main method. Okay, so here we have to call the uh, function. Okay, now we have to write the function name. So here the function name is multiply. Okay, then multiply. Now we have to pass the parameters. Now a as 3 and b as 5. Okay, now we will get our answer, that is 15. Okay, so like this we can get the product of two numbers. Okay, so let's see in our demonstration. So I have created a class called demo. In that I am creating a function, public static, return type will be integer, and name will be multiply. In this function I am passing two parameters, integer a and integer b. Okay, and in that I am creating a integer called product and multiplying a and b here. Okay, now I am returning the product. Now let's call this function from the main method. So public static main. From this we have to call the function. Okay, so system dot out int multiply, and we have to pass the parameter. So let's say 3 and 5. Okay, so I have created a function here and written the product of A and B, and I have called the function from the main method. Okay, so let's check the output now. So I have get the output as 15. Okay, so 3 into 5 will be 15. Okay, so this way we can create the function for getting the product. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.